Hey guys, Brian on the go here. Just a little update of the Stormtrooper. Finally got the upper on there. Upper and lower matched. Handguard 15-inch, just a generic. Landtech Dragon muzzle brake. So I gotta get my Odinworks gas block and gas tube on there and be ready and get the optic. Got something in the mail. Sucker's in there. It's from Palmetto. I want this thing getting out. There she is. Okay. Palmetto. Bolt carrier group, just a generic. I think it's like a $69. No label. Unloaded. Run that in the Stormtrooper project. It's got a generic bolt in here and bolt carrier group in here now. Got my ambi safety with the 45 degree. Got the short throw. On the California fin grip side here. It's kind of crazy. Side's kind of useless with the fin grip, no way to reach it. Just a generic 15-inch handguard. You got the full rail. And I was running the Bushnell TRS 25 on the AR, and I moved it over to the Ruger PC9 carbine. So I found one of these Natural Life Red Dot sights. Supposed to be comparable to the Bushnell TRS 25. Pretty much the same. Just these suckers, you know, $17. So give it a try. Got a little no-name little riser for it. Anxious to get out there and shoot this guy again. First, I haven't shot it with this upper on it yet, or this barrel, this Faxon barrel. It's debating whether to do the handguard white or not, but I think it's just too much. Just better just leave it black. But just a couple items. picked up for the Stormtrooper project, the bolt carrier group from Palmetto. And the red dot, just a little red dot. I might switch put the Bushnell back on here where it belongs. Either way, but it worked good. Bushnell worked great on this PC9 carbine, running the Glock mags. Just shot this a couple times, but it was a nice little rifle for PCC division. So just a quick update. That's the little Red Dot sight. $17 Amazon. It's supposed to be comparable to the Bushnell TRS 25. So we'll see. That bad boy. That's my spray can battle worn finish there. Several light coats and some 2000 grit wet sand just to come through and get on the high points there. Give it that look. Appreciate you watching. Happy holidays to everybody. A couple days before Christmas. Alright, thanks again for watching, guys. Comment below, subscribe.